Follow the steps on how to make an abstract background like this in Adobe Illustrator. Start by creating a new document. I use this size. Press M and create a rectangle. Fill it with black. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Click the blob brush tool. Double-click on the icon to open options. I use size 100. Choose stroke color. Draw randomly. Also add other colors. Enable Trim View. Click the Twirl tool. Double-click the icon to open options. You can set it like this. Click to start. Also use the Wrap tool to tidy up. Click and drag like this. Do it repeatedly until you get unique results. Here I will speed it up. In this step, just use the Twirl tool and Warp tool. Finished. Okay. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.